Student, this is Sandeep Singh. Student, as you know that there are six physical division in India. In that physical division, one of the northern mountain plains is also a physical division of India. Okay, the northern plain found in the north part of India, so it is called also northern plains. Student, in this lesson, we will explain about the extension of northern plains and what is the culture developed in the northern plains and what is the main activity of the people in the northern plain. So let's start. The northern plain are vast flat fertile plain that cover most of northern and northeastern India. As you seen in the map, the northern plain extend from south of Himalayas. It lies from west part to east part. Okay, western to eastern part of India. They stretch across the state of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. The northern plain extend from Punjab in the west, then Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. So, in these states, measures of the rivers flowing in this state, in these states, so they form the plain in this area. Okay, these vast plain are formed by the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, and their tributaries river. As you seen here are many rivers are flow in this region like Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, Gandak, Kosi, Ghagra. There are various rivers are flow in this region, so they form the northern plains because the rivers carried out the sediments from the mountain area and they deposit it the sediment in this region and form the northern plains. Okay, the northern plain are the most thickly populated part of the world. Northern plains are the one of the most thickly populated because here are the many activities done by the people because it is very easy to constructed the different types of road etc road buildings factories and etc canals also. So and also the climate is suitable for in this region also. So this region is very populated. Okay, the northern plain can be divided into three parts: the Satluj basin, the Gangetic basin, and the Brahmaputra basin. And what is a river basin? A river basin is an area drained by a river and its tributary. Okay, a river basin is an area drained by a river and its tributary. When a river flow in an area and its tributary, it is called the what is basin, river basin. The catchment of the river area is called basin. Okay, basin. And what is tributary? A river which is joined to another river, that is called basin, sorry, tributary river. Okay, no more. The name Punjab means five waters. The name after the Punjab by the five rivers. The province got its name from the five tributaries of the Indus that flow through. The tributary of Indus are flow through the Punjab. They are also known as the Punjab, means five rivers. The region that flows the five rivers, they are Satluj, Beej, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Okay, these rivers flow through the Punjab, so its name is Punjab. Okay, and let us look at the three river basin and their course of the Satluj river basin, Ganga river basin and Brahmaputra river basin. First we look at the Satluj river basin. I stretch the map of India, and because you observe the river of Satluj carefully, here is Satluj river basin. Okay, Satluj river basin originated from China and then enter in Himachal Pradesh. Here it then enter in Punjab. So it is the Punjab, and here is Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, and then the cross the in Pakistan and meet into the Indus River. Okay, it is the course of Satluj river basin which form the river northern plains. Then of the other of the course of river, that is the most important river, is Ganga. The Ganga is originated from Gangotri glacier. Gangotri glacier from Uttarakhand, and then it enter in plain at the place Haridwar. Where is enter in plain? Haridwar. Okay, and then turn to eastward and flow through the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Okay, at the place of Allahabad, it joined with Yamuna, where they meet to each other. That is called confluence. What is called? Confluence. Okay, it is called confluence, and then it enter in Bihar, and when it enter in West Bengal, then it is divided into two parts. One part that is flow through Kolkata, it is known as Hooghly river, and other part is enter in Bangladesh, that is known as Padma. Okay, so this is the second river basin of the northern plain, and next is Brahmaputra river basin. In India, Brahmaputra river flow through the Assam. It is originated from Himalaya in China. Its name is Sangpo. What is name is? Sangpo, and turn to south and enter in Arunachal Pradesh. Here Arunachal Pradesh, and enter in Assam, and then enter in Bangladesh and join with Ganga. They form the world largest delta called Sundarban Delta. What is delta? A delta is a triangular shape, as you seen here, the triangular shape formed by the river called delta, and Sundarban delta is world's largest delta made by Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, so these are the three main river basin of the northern plains. Okay, then Satluj River Basin. The Satluj is one of the main tributary of Indus. It is rise in Himalayas, as you seen in the map of India. The Satluj River Basin, Satluj River originated from China in Himalayas and flow through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab before joining the Indus in Pakistan. The water of Satluj is used extensively for irrigation. Today, this area is less than received than other part of the country, so farmers are dependent in this region on the river irrigation for river water. So they are dependent to these river, and they grow different types of crop by the using of water of these rivers. Okay, next river, and you look at the here is a world India's largest dam, Bhakra Nangal Dam. Okay, was built on the Satluj, provide the area's electricity and water irrigation. And what is dam? A dam is a barrier constructed by human to control the flow of river water. As you seen here, a barrier was built before the river, okay, and it stop the water behind the dam, and when we use the water by the canal, it is called, okay, multi-purpose project. Okay, the water dam can be used as desired, as we desire the water used. Then Satluj River in Tibet and enter India through Himachal Pradesh, as you read before this, that is Himachal, in Himachal Pradesh, the Satluj River Basin enter in India and it enter in Punjab. Okay, next river basin is Ganga Basin. The Ganga Basin formed by the river Ganga and tributary. The Ganga River Basin formed by the main river Ganga and its tributary like Yamuna, Gandak, Kosi, Gomti. There are various rivers are tributaries of the Ganga, comprises the major part of the northern plain in India. As you seen here, the Ganga covered major part of the northern plain. It's a flow from Uttarakhand and then enter in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar and West Bengal. So it is the covered the major part of the northern plains. Okay, it is stretches from Uttar Pradesh to West Bengal. The trace of the course of Ganga has flow through the heart of India. It is flow through the middle of India, middle part of the northern plain. So it is also called heart of India. Okay, here some pictures are given that at a place called Devprayag in Uttarakhand, the river of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. As you seen here, two rivers are meet each other here, Alaknanda and this is Bhagirathi, and they meet to each other and form the Ganga. Okay, they form the Ganga. Okay, the Bhagirathi has source is Gangotri glacier. Next is The Ganga enter plain at Haridwar. This place is Haridwar, and here enter in plain Haridwar, and then its flow eastward toward the Bay of Bengal. Okay. The Yamuna is major tributary of Ganga. Its rises Himalaya pass through Delhi, Mathura, Agra before joining the Ganga. The Ganga flow through the major city of the North India like Delhi, Mathura, Agra, and the Ganga Yamuna meet at the Prayag. They meet at the Prayag Sangam. It is called confluence. One of the Ganga tributary, Gomti, one of the tributary is called Gomti, flow through the Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Other tributary of Ganga plain at Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Son. Okay, so these are the major river basins of the northern plains. In next video, we will explain about the life in the northern plain. Till then, goodbye.